Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can solve the color problem or issue in your VLC Media Player. So let's go quick into the process. Now I'm having a color problem issue right here in my VLC Media Player. So as you can see, the screen is in red as you can see, and this is not the normal or the usual screen or color of your VLC Media Player. Now how can you fix this? It's very easy. Look at the tabs right here at the top. We have Media, Playback, Audio, Video, Subtitle, Tools, View, and Help. Simply click on the Tools tab. Here you will find Effects and Filters. Click on that. Now this window will appear, Adjustments and Effects. Then you have Audio Effects, Video Effects, Synchronization. Click on the Video Effects. Here you will find Essential, Crop, Colors, Geometry Overlay, and Advanced. Click on the Colors. And you will find Color Extraction. Maybe you are facing the error or you are facing the error because you have accidentally enabled this option, Color Extraction. So you just need to uncheck that. Also, do not check this option, Negate Colors. Okay, so make sure that everything right here is default. You are not selecting or checking any of this option from colors. Click on save and click on close, and that's it. Your color problem in VLC Media Player is fixed. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.